Selamat pagi, selamat petang, selamat malam budak-budak. Pada hari yang mulia ini, saya akan mempersembahkan kepada penonton-penonton semua skim cepat kaya saya. Dengarlah kepada janji-janji manis saya yang memastikan kepulangan yang cepat, tidak memerlukan modal yang besar dan menjaminkan keuntungan yang bermasuk akal. Ini bukanlah seperti skim MLM yang kamu semua tahu. Tetapi kalau kamu hendak join dan like video ini, saya akan memastikan kamu juga akan bermanfaat. Ini adalah satu skim yang tidak melibatkan risiko yang tinggi dan merupakan salah satu skim cepat kaya yang boleh dilakukan di rumah juga. Hello boys and girls, so today I'll be presenting to you my get rich quick scheme. So I'll be making kaya spread today. So the word kaya, when translated into English, means rich. So it's a spread that Malaysians love having with toasted bread. So it's a scheme that promises sweet returns with minimal upfront cost and risk, and it can be done in the comfort of your own home. So all we need is 200 grams of sugar, 5 free-range eggs, ml of coconut milk, and 6 plates of pandanis chopped and blended or grind, just for the essence. Just add a bit of water into it. So all you want is just the essence of the pandan. I don't have a sieve. Mix it with the rest of the ingredients. So for now I'm just gonna whisk it first, just to mix all the ingredients. So just by doing this, it has the smell already. It has that sweet coconutty pandan smell to it. The next step is the longest step of my Skim Cepat Kaya, or my get rich quick scheme. So what we have to do is we have to place this bowl on top of a pot of boiling water. So we're going to double boil it. So now let's just place it on top of a pot of boiling water. So the consistency is obviously getting harder. So it has reduced quite significantly. So I've gotten the kaya to the texture I want, but now what I want to do is to make it even more smoother. So I've gotten it to a consistency that I really like. So I'm just going to transfer it into this dry, clean, sterilized glass jar. So using this sort of blender is not very good because you're going to waste quite a lot. So what I do recommend is using a hand blender. I've just placed the kaya into the jar. I'm just going to let it cool first. So when I did my kaya 9 years ago, what I realized was it was a bit lumpy. So I was always curious as how they got it to be so smooth. To make it even smoother, you just have to blend it. The best way to have kaya is to have it with toast. I'm pleased. So I'm definitely pleased with how the kaya turned out. It has the texture that I want. It's quite smooth as well. So yes, that's it. That's my get rich quick scheme, or my Skim Cepat kaya. Thank you for watching.